First of all, thank you for all of you come here, and thank you, Mr. President, invite me to this opportunity to have the opportunity to presenting to you some of the information in general about the relation between Vietnam and Romania, and our commercial counselor will provide you some detail of what we need and what we can do to promote, to enhance the relation between two countries. As you know, Vietnam and Romania have the 67-year since the establishment of diplomatic relation between two countries. Romania is among the first country to have Vietnam rebuild the economy and training the human resources. The most notable contribution were the field in construction, material, agriculture, irrigation, railway, geology, transport, mining, especially in the field of education.